Meet the parrotfish. They basically poop out sand. They have beak-like teeth, looking like that of a parrot. That's why they are called parrotfish. They use the teeth to eat rock and coral reefs. Weird. It gets weirder because these food can't be digested, so it get pooped out as sand. And they produce a lot of sand, with a single parrotfish producing up to 1,000 pounds of sand a year. They are said to be responsible for producing over 70% of white sand, meaning over 70% of the sand you see in the beach is the poop of parrotfishes. One last crazy one. They exhibit sequential hermaphroditism, meaning they can change sex during their lifetime.